Introducing UniFi Protect 5.0, featuring groundbreaking performance improvements for massive scale. Deploy 1,000 plus camera sites with our new enterprise NVR and Vantage point scaling. Experience near instant loading with our re-architected encoding engine, and extend recording capacity significantly, even to years, thanks to the new storage manager. And what about those aging sites with other systems installed? No problem. UniFi Protect 5.0 marks the start of our on-VIF support plan, allowing seamless management of third-party cameras within UniFi, completely license-free. We're also excited to deliver on other popular requests, including tags for easier camera management and event retrieval, multi-chime support for doorbells, and expanded history archiving that now support Google Drive, Microsoft OneDrive, DropBox, and even general SMB NAS drives. Stay tuned for more exciting UniFi Protect updates coming soon. Ubiquity, rethinking IT.